Umntwana engabuye ezithwele vele uhlajajwa ukuthi uhle wagijimela into zabantu abadala emncane.
Hello guys, it's your girl Meows. Anghambi ngiyi-1 Hambalo Asha. So today sabe sikhuluma ama-effects of teenage pregnancy at church. Vele kasilandeni kahle ukuzoyenzani kahle.
They all know. Mina guys, I'm all about the vibes. I'm bringing the vibes to the streets. Samba stinga abazalwane guys. Asking them, how does the issue of teenage pregnancy affect? How does it infiltrate within my dynamics of church? And how do they deal with that? Won't say everything. Please come with us. Let's get it. Understand ukuthi as a youth silabazali who go to church and arrive ukuthi sihambe church. So now wena lo mngane wakho or sithi wena kahle how would you disclose information enjalo to abazali bakho and who gets to take that information to ama church elders?
All right, mina disclosing to the parents it's really hard. Mina what I usually do, I find it easier to find to exclude a third person, a third party ozabuya ezongikhulumela on behalf of abazali, because I know ukuthi ngingabala abazali face to face bengambula.
Okay.
All right, then on taking the matter to the church leaders, mina, the background where I come from, my brother is a pastor, so either way it's going to be there vele church one way or the other, because bengambona mina ingasabuye church, they'll assume something is going on. So either way vele this information will get to my church leaders.
Okay, so you go to the same church you put a pastor with?
Yes.
Okay, so I wanted to ask, I've heard about this, but I don't know how true it is. So in indawo ezikhundla church, and let's say karese umna wami is that teenager says twele, and then ule sikhundla church.
Alright.
Says twele. Compared to umuntu maybe obuya from a family le status company church njengawuthi ubhuti wakho like ungipastor. So do you get the same treatment? Would you get the same treatment like compared to umuntu ongela abazali abalesikhundla ongela sikhundla at all?
Honestly, I don't think so. What happened is, mina, suppose I'm a pastor's child, and since ubhuti wami kunguye umfundisi, but let's say ubhuti wami ngubabami. Let's take that for instance. Ubhuti wami ngubabami, when I get pregnant, mina personally I'm in praise and worship ministry, isn't it? So if I get pregnant, the constitution yona it says if these things happen, ungachadanga, ungathathwanga, ungalotshulwanga, you should step down from lapho khona until the process or the whole process takes place, uchate and everything. So if mina as a pastor child I get to that situation, you know, favoritism at church, we don't want to lie, these things is appeal. It's favoritism. They will turn a blind eye to that. But if it's someone else, like instance for you, you guys, yes, they know what there is. Asha, okay, he's fellowshipping in this church, what, but they don't have umuntu who is influential in the church. They will treat you different because awazakali. You know what? She's going to be a bad influence on our children. What? Because even they'll start distancing their children from your sister. That's what really happens.
Okay, thank you so much for that insight.
Now umntwana usefike church uzithwele at a young age. Limphatha njani?
Alright. Kujayelekile ukuthi ngkhona ema church umntwana engabuye ezithwele vele uhlajajwa ukuthi uhle wagijimela into zabantu abadala emncane kanje. So vele kwesisikhathi uhlanika ilokuzenini uhle fake ku disciplinary ukuthi ngkhona kasayenzi ezinye izinto maybe e church kumbe ukuthi eminye imisebenzi kuyachiyana ngeke imbalise ngoba ama church achiyana nje. Uyabe sokuthiwa lo kasavunyelwa ukuyenza lokho kaseli youth sehle khitshwa vele kuma youth kaseli youth so mele hlale labadala kumbe so mele edini. So I think into zone ziyana ziyam affect umntwana ngoba umntwana ugcine esesesaba ukuhlanganela labanye kuba le stigma manje. So engaba stigmatized lapha manje kasela inkululeko la ukuthi edlale labanye abayisize yakhe kumbe ihlangane labanye. So I think yam affecta into ezinjalo ngibona ngani kudingakala ukuthi ema church kube maybe lama committees akhangela ama youth manje, maybe youth advisor, ama counselors manje umntwana ithole I counseling ngoba la kuyabe kum affect ukuthi uyabe ezibuza ukuthi lami kanti ngifike njani lapha uyakubona. So I think kungalungiswa ngaleyo ndlela kungaba ngcono. Maybe singazama ukulwisa indaba zebo teenage pregnancy.
Okay, ngiyabonga.
E-church bamthatha njani? Bathini ngaye? And nawe as umzali, how do you face ama-members of i-congregation osulo mntwana ozithwele i-teenager?
Ngizaqala nge-church le-pregnancy. Kahle kahle umntwana engazithwala ese-church kusuka kube nzima kakhulu ukuthi umntwana yena ngokwakhe aziveze ukuthi sesesimeni esinje. Into yokuqala ngoba ama-morals esiwafundisa e-church yiwo esiyabe sikhangelele ukuthi siyakhe umntwana, and then nxa sesibona umntwana sezithwala engakafiki 18 years sisuka sibona ngani sesisehlulekile thina njengabafundisi, kumbe sisuka sibona ngani i-church yona ngokwayo isifeyilile ku-society. Instead of kube umntwana nami abe yisibonelo esihle, ngiyabe sembona ngani umntwana sengihlaza ku-community, umntwana seyimfundiso kumbe seyinhlanyelo embi ku-community.
And sesivela khona within the community and had a lot of insights. A lot of those insights esiwazileyo, guys, tragic stuff. But Mills, what's the one that actually stood out for you?
I-judgment ema-church, guys, especially umuntu engaba lesikhundla e-church uyajudgwa, especially from ama-pastors, and sinyanzela ukuthi abantu badinga i-counseling. Because umuntu e-church engayazi i-counseling, bayamjudge bemenze izinto, bayamphatha like differently from others.
Yeah, so guys, for me, the most important thing, I think it's advocacy from endlini vele asuka khona to the elders in church. You have to treat abantwana the same, because sometimes pregnancies, they happen a mistake. So thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. We'll see you on the next one.